Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold versus the dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did finally make a little bit of a push down, which is actually good because I always look at pullbacks as an opportunity to go long again. Areas for me to watch is the 23% fib and the 38%. If this really is a wave 4, it really shouldn't go beyond that 38%. Plus we got a little rally-based rally area right there too. So, I mean, depending on what time frame you trade, you possibly could be looking for shorts. It may end up doing something like that. But I still would be a little cautious about going short because, I mean, honestly, the trend is up. I believe this is a wave 3 of 3 on the higher time frame, so I would definitely be looking for longs in a uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, to me, it still looks like 3 waves down. So if this goes up and makes a structure break throughout the Asian session, I would for sure take it as a long. Trend is up on all the higher time frames. 3 waves down, Fibonacci bounce break or structure to the upside. When I know we're in an uptrend on the higher time frames, there's always an entry for me to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, we do have to be a little careful. I mean, it could possibly just go up, touch, like reject structure, and then end up going down to the 38% and then going up later on. Either way, I think it's a correction, whether or not it goes up and breaks structure now and just keeps on trending, or whether it makes another push down before it keeps on trending. Either way, I don't care. I will be looking for longs at the end of the correction, either scenario. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.